In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Base44 using two simple paths: building and monetizing your own AI-powered apps, or joining the Base44 affiliate program. If you want a practical way to turn ideas into income, this is a great place to start because Base44 helps creators move fast, test ideas quickly, and build products that can generate recurring revenue. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's jump in. The first way to make money with Base44 is by building your own app or software. This works especially well if you already have a problem you want to solve, or if you notice a gap in the market. Instead of spending months coding from scratch, Base44 lets you move much faster and create a usable product in a shorter amount of time. Start by thinking about a simple problem people already pay to solve. This could be a content planning tool, a client dashboard, an AI writing helper, a lead tracker, or even a niche service app for a specific audience. The key is to keep it focused. The best money-making apps usually solve one clear problem very well. Once you have an idea, build a minimum version first. Don't try to create everything at once. Use Base44 to validate the concept quickly, then share it with real users and see if they would actually pay for it. That validation step matters a lot because it saves you time and helps you avoid building something nobody wants. After that, think about how you can monetize it. One of the easiest methods is subscriptions. You can offer a monthly plan for access to the app, premium features, usage limits, or advanced workflows. Another option is service-based pricing. For example, you could build a tool for clients and charge them to set it up, customize it, or manage it for them. You can also create packages, one-time setup fees, or tiered pricing depending on the value you provide. The second way to make money with Base44 is through the affiliate program. If you prefer not to build a product yourself, you can promote Base44 and earn commissions by referring new users. This can be a good option if you already have an audience on YouTube, TikTok, X, LinkedIn, or through a blog or newsletter. To do this well, don't just share the link. Create content that shows people what Base44 does, how it works, and why it's useful. Tutorials, reviews, use case videos, and comparison content can all help you attract clicks from people who are actively looking for a tool like this. You can also combine both methods. For example, build a small app with Base44, document the process, and create content around it. That lets you earn from your own product, while also building affiliate income if other people want to try the platform. This is one of the smartest ways to grow because you're not relying on just one income stream. A big advantage of Base44 is speed. The faster you can launch, the faster you can test ideas, improve them, and start earning. Many successful creators focus on simple, repeatable products that can bring in recurring revenue over time instead of chasing one big launch. So if your goal is to make money with Base44, focus on solving a real problem, launching quickly, testing demand, and choosing a monetization model that fits your audience. Build first, validate early, and then scale what works. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.